Good morning, students. How are you? Hope you are staying safe at your home. So, let's start with another topic of chapter 6, that is recruitment. So, what is recruitment? Recruitment is inviting more and more candidates to come and apply for the vacant job position. Recruitment is what? Inviting more and more candidates to come and apply for the vacant job position is what we call it as a recruitment. So it is the second step of the staffing process. It is the second step of the process of staffing after analyzing, after estimating your manpower requirement, that how many persons we required, how many employees we required in an organization. After that we will do recruitment. So recruitment means inviting more and more candidates to come and apply for the job. So the process of recruitment is requisition of employees. So before recruiting, we will see that how many employees we required in the organization, how many employees we required in the organization. So first one is requisition of employees. Second one is identification of the source of recruitment. So basically there are two sources of recruitment, that is internal as well as external. There are two sources of recruitment, external and internal. Then we will identify कि हमें कौन से source of recruitment से candidates को invite करना है. Internal sources से invite करना है या external sources से करना है. You have to identify those sources of recruitment. Next come invitation to the interested people. Then we will invite through various methods. Like we can say that within the organization we can do transfers, we can do promotions, and outside the organization we can invite the interested people with the help of advertisement, web publishing, employment exchanges. So that is invitation to the interested people. Next come preparing the list of deserving candidates. So when we have invited the interested people, then after receiving their application, we will prepare the list of deserving candidates. We will prepare the list of those candidates who fulfill our eligibility criteria. So that is preparing the list of deserving candidates. So this is the 4 steps which is being, we can say that, studied in the process of recruitment. So there are two sources of recruitment, internal and external. Internal source of recruitment, when we hire the employees, when we recruit the employees from within the organization. Internal source of recruitment is the source of recruitment when we hire the employees within the organization, is what we call it as an internal source of recruitment. So generally there are two sources of internal source of recruitment, that is promotion and transfer. Promotion means that shifting the employees from lower position to the higher position, having higher authority, higher responsibility, higher status and higher salary. So in promotion, what we will do, in promotion we will shift the person from the lower level, from the lower position to the higher position, in which the responsibility is increased, authority is increased, status is increased and salary is increased. So वो क्या होती है? Promotion. Next है transfer. Transfer means shifting the employee from one department to another department or one place to another place without any change in responsibility, without any change in authority, without any change in status and without any change in salary. So that what we call it as a transfer. पहले वो, you can say that, पुणे में काम कर रहा था, now he is being transferred to the Chandigarh. That what we call it as a transfer. Sometimes transfer is used as a punishable instrument as well. When the employee is thrown out far from their hometown, if he or she will not perform better. So sometimes transfer is used as a, we can say that, punishmentary act. So these are the two sources of recruitment, and in the next video session we will discuss about various external source of recruitment. So please watch this video very minutely and we will sort out your queries in the next Zoom session. Thanks and have a nice day.